Hi everyone, as I promised, here is a video with a small test drive with a new engine. The problems that appeared in the last part 1 solved very simply. As I've already had an autotrembler, I changed it and adjusted the gas pump pusher. It stuck out above the surface at almost 2 mm. This is twice much compared to the factory setting. I put the fitting piece and the value came to normal. That's it, now the engine always starts at half speed and doesn't shoot at the carburetor. Now we can finally check how much buggy behavior has changed since installation of the new engine. At first sight, this is a completely different car, very sharp and gaining speed well. Of course, this is not a hypercar, but in comparison to the previous engine, its power tripled. It's good that the engine works purely without any extraneous sounds, and the converted silencer fits well into the overall sound picture. To tell the truth, the second speed can't be switched on all the time. We need to look and adjust the lever system. After making sure everything was in place, I went on a flat road for a speed test. By the way, you can hear some small claps. I figured out their appearance. The problem was in the contact chip of the autotrembler, which got pulled off because of the vibration. The contact with one of 3 wires was lost and the engine stalled. In addition, the unregulated gasoline pump worsened this process. I made the first attempt and did not accelerate slightly till 100 km/h. The first time it was very scary. After getting used to the speed, I turned around and tried again. With the new engine, the buggy began to gain speed easily, and now the powertrain was enough for the 4th and 5th gear, which I never switched, by the way. So I can say that I've completed the task set. I wanted buggy to be like the game model and could accelerate more than till 100 km/h if desired. In general, I'm happy to install the new engine. It was a great swap experience and it just turned out to be perfect for this buggy. Thanks everyone for watching and supporting. See you in the next video with a new project in the new workshop.